Hi, I'm Ira Wilson, and I am a design consultant here at Texas Outdoor Oasis. I went to school for theater, and I excelled in set design and lighting and stagecraft. That taught me how to think about how to lay out a stage or a set to create a story for people to remember. And so understanding how to frame and tell a story through what you're looking at seems to really translate well for me when it comes to designing for backyard spaces. My hope is that I can pull out of a client what they want to do in the back, what memories they want to make, what do they see themselves doing, what are their kids doing, who's coming over, what are they cooking on the grill, what do they have in their glass, what music's playing in the background. Get a client to buy into a little bit of that silly storytelling. It becomes a really big thing for me to be able to craft a backyard based off of the story that they want to tell and the memories they want to make. And I think that's the most important thing.